As you begin your journey, the roads are filled by dense forest canopies and nature unveils its first masterpiece. The golden kashatandi flowers dancing in gentle breeze carpet the pathways like scattered sunlight. Welcome to Satkosia, home to India's longest gorge where wilderness whispers ancient secrets. Here, in the heart of Muduligadia, you'll discover a village that breathes consciousness. Not a single piece of plastic mars this canvas of sustainable living. Every wall tells a story, painted in vibrant hues that blend tradition with artistic vision. But what truly sets this hamlet apart is its pioneering spirit. This is India's first community-led eco-village where every resident is a guardian of nature. From mushroom cultivation and depending on forest produce, these villagers have shifted to innovative livelihoods. The best time to travel is October to March. By car, Satkosia is a 160-odd kilometers drive from Bhubaneswar. By train, the nearest railway station to Satkosia is the Khordha junction, which is 88 kilometers away. You can also take a night train to Bhubaneswar or Angul and then continue your journey to Satkosia by car. The nearest airport to Satkosia is the Biju Patnaik International Airport in Bhubaneswar, approximately 113 kilometers away. The accommodation here is absolutely comfortable. Your sanctuary awaits in one of 7 luxurious AC cottages perched thoughtfully on mountain slopes overlooking the majestic Satkosia Gorge. For those seeking a different flavor of luxury, 12 AC tented cottages and 9 Swiss cotton tents rest gracefully on the Mahanadi River's sandbar where the river's lullaby meets comfort. If you love adventure, you'll love the canopy walks, the boating in Satkosia Gorge, the trekking and the farm visits, to name a few. For food enthusiasts, every meal is a homecoming. Local delicacies prepared with love by community members carrying the authentic flavors of Odisha. As dusk settles, immerse yourself in the soul-stirring rhythms of Pala and Dandanacha, the age-old art forms that keep Odia culture alive. Here, in this perfect harmony of luxury and conservation, you'll find more than just a retreat. You'll discover a way of life that future generations will thank us for. Away from the hustle and bustle of city life, Satkosia Eco Village is a refreshing getaway you definitely don't want to miss out when in Odisha.